Hello and welcome back to the channel. Finally we can do something with my B4 project car. There were some issues why I did not have motivation to make this car a little time, but now is motivation back. I will speak it about soon. But first, I promise to weight how much kilograms was original sound isolation on firewall. So first let's weight this. Okay, all the original crap is in this bag here. So yeah. Okay. So here we have kilograms. Sorry. And we have here 3.7 kilograms. Yeah, almost nothing. So 3.7 kilograms. So let's take this component. It's 2 kilograms maybe. So it's 2.2 kilograms. Okay, so this conformat was 2.2 kilograms, and here I have these what I got it, and I did not use them. So here we have 3 kilograms. So I used 6 conformats. So 6 or the 2.2 is 13.2 kilograms minus 3 kilograms. Okay, so I installed 10.2 kilograms and did remove 3.7 kilograms. So yeah, minus 3.7. So now I have 6.5 kilograms more weight in my firewall. So yeah, that's not bad. I was thinking that there is a lot more kilograms in here, but yeah, 6.5, that's not bad because it's thicker. It's a 4mm conformat. The original was 1.8, so I hope the interior is now a little bit more quiet. And yeah, so what else today? Today we work with engine bay and with front axle. So let's start working. Like you saw, I made some welding, but some welding was not on the time lapse, so I will show you a little bit closer. Yeah, like you saw, I weld here. So it's like I have said before, it's 2.6 V6 front wheel drive front subframe, and the front wheel drive ones only have this strengthening plates here and here. So here can go all the dust in. So it's quite common issue that they start rusting from these places. So I cleaned them and cut the old metal out and welded the new one like you saw. And also I worked here a little bit. So here was this corner, like this goes. Yeah, like this one. So I did cut this and welded. So now I have 10 millimeters more space between my oil pan and front axle. This small modification what I did. Should be all okay with front axle, and can start prepare it for painting, add primer and then paint. Okay, so why I did not have motivation to work with this car. Maybe you remember when I sandblasted the front of the car. I used this one anti-corrosion, and it came out that 1 week later when I looked these sandblasted places, all was corroding, and there was some places what I forgot to do with this anti-corrosion, and they was clean and no corrosion. So yeah, I speak with a lot companies who welds the cars, project cars and that kind of stuff, and they all said that I need to make it again, need to clean all with sandblast machine and again paint it. And it did take all the motivation from me, because this sandblasting, this is not my favorite job. But if you build a car for yourself and you want to have best result, I did sandblast it again, cleaned, and now I use this zinc coating. I did made research, and one my friend uses this, and yeah, it's good product. Rear wheel arches I made the right away with these, and they are I think 3 weeks, and all is good. So the front is also done with that, and now the result is better, I think. We'll show you. So in the rear I sandblasted places what had corrosion and used this zinc coating. The other side is the same. Here I made it also, but right now I made some weldings today. I will show you soon. And yeah, I like this Zinga. They say that minimum zinc coating is 97% in the layer, so let's hope that it's like that. When I did use this Zinga in the interior, where was this rear differential front mount welding points, when the Zinga was dry, then you did not understand where is the factory zinc coating and where is the new zinc coating. So I think it should be a really nice product. And now let's work with the front of the car, and then you see closer what I did there. I did stack weld all the subframes. Only the wheel arches side is not done yet. I will make that also. And it gives a little bit more strength to the front of the car. And also one day I did look on this Audi S1 E2 build, and there were strengthened this steering rack holder, so yeah, I needed to do it right away also. And small steps, and the end of the day it's again a little bit better than before. Made some stack welding from the wheel side also to subframe. Need to finish it, but already looks better. I know that in last P4 episode I promised that we start working with electric window install, but I started to thinking that I need to first finish the engine bay painting, and then I can start installing back interior fuse box and that kind of stuff, that I can connect also these electric windows, because without connecting them it's not helpful content, I think. So yeah, I can't wait to finish these preparations for painting and finally paint, because I don't like this work. I would like to start installing already axles and new bushes and engine back in and that kind of stuff, so it starts to looking a car again. But yeah, what I start doing next, I will take the sandpaper and start preparing the places for primer. I will finish for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. Like always, comment what you think, like, subscribe, share my video or channel. It all helps me a lot when new people come here. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!